Luke McDermott. I work as a senior XR engineer. My daily kind of tasks are working through any XR project we have, as well as I am involved in some of the other practice areas like web development and identity governance. So a couple years ago when I started, we started the think tank, and when that started up, I pitched VR because that's what I was doing in my previous job. And then from there, we kind of pushed it into a couple intern projects, and now it's a full-fledged practice area with a couple of clients under our belt. Today I'm going to talk about the Puck project and what it kind of entailed and how we got there. This project so that Puck could basically attract more people to their booth at the trade show. That was kind of the end goal of it all, as we see it. They just wanted to be able to see things virtually, and then it was kind of an eye catcher, if you will, at the trade show that really brought people over. If you can see people wearing a headset and doing something with their hands, and then behind them or in front of them was a TV that we were casting the experience onto so that people could see. So yeah, the main point was really to bring more people to the booth so that Puck people could get face to face with potential clients. You get into the headset, the experience starts off with you staring at the Puck hose reel, and then you're able to look around with your head as well as use controls to move yourself. You can see on the walls that there are Puck signs as well as a nice powered by Zirous sign. And then the main point of interest is the hose reel. And this is about a 13-foot tall piece of equipment. So when you get in there, you really understand like the size of it all. You can see that your eyesight, or at least my eyesight, was just about where, just above the tires almost. So you're able to kind of walk around, you're able to look underneath it, look at the back, look at all of the bolts and screws that are in it. And if you're interested in any VR or XR experiences, feel free to reach out to our VP of Sales, Mike Spear.